Housing affordability continues to be a challenge in most of our areas of Maryland. Data indicates that the median sold price increased 35% between 2020 and 2025, creating a gap between the median household income and the income needed to qualify for the median priced home. It's Friday, March 27th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The largest income gaps are on the Eastern Shore, where housing prices are outpacing income needed to purchase more than 50%. Surprisingly, Baltimore City still remains affordable, as does Allegheny County. Legislators are definitely hearing about the affordability gap through the industry, and we are definitely keeping an eye on what suggestions are being made to tackle this problem. Home prices continue to rise more quickly than incomes, so those who don't have a home to sell and get the cash from it can very easily be sidelined due to lack of funds, financial barriers, and costs associated with purchasing. Meanwhile, new resale inventory to come to the market rose this report to 1,924 units at a median $435,000 list price. There are 1,353 more units coming soon at a median $499,000. 1,809 units went under contract in a median 13 days, and the median list price was $425,000. 1,106 units sold in 19 days at 100% list to sold ratio. There are 3,236 rental properties listed for lease at a median $2,500 per month. These have been listed on the market for 42 days. Do you have questions about your specific circumstances, looking to buy or sell or even invest in properties? Give me a call and let's talk through it. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 27th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.